Houston businesses, are you prepared for the next big cyber threat? Let's talk about Impress IT solutions. The digital landscape is evolving fast, and so are cyber threats. For Houston businesses, staying one step ahead isn't just smart, it's essential. That's where Impress IT solutions comes in. Gone are the days of relying on simple backups. Modern business continuity and disaster recovery, or BCDR, demands cutting-edge strategies. Impress IT Solutions delivers just that, with real-time vulnerability detection, automated recovery, and AI-driven ransomware defense. Hybrid and multi-cloud environments can be tricky to manage. But with Impress I.T.S unified data protection solutions, you get holistic management and seamless security across all platforms. And when disaster strikes, our rapid recovery capabilities ensure your operations bounce back in no time. Don't wait for an attack to test your defenses. Partner with Impress IT Solutions today and build a robust BCDR strategy that keeps your business running smoothly no matter what. Contact us now and secure your digital future.